When you know, you know. When you fall, you fall. And when you're defeated by love, you're utterly defeated. My mind at Waterloo, Napoleon did surrender. Oh yeah. And I have met my destiny in quite a similar way. The history book on the shelf is always repeating itself. I was defeated, you won the war. Waterloo, promise to love you forevermore. Waterloo,
Couldn't escape if I wanted to.
Waterloo, knowing my fate is to leave. Waterloo, finally facing my world. I tried to hold you back, but you were stronger. Oh yeah. And now it seems my only chance is giving up the fight. How could I ever refuse? You win when I lose. Waterloo, couldn't escape.
If I wanted to.
Knowing my fate is to leave. Finally facing my world.
So how could I ever refuse? I feel like I win when I lose. Waterloo, couldn't escape if I wanted to.
Knowing my fate is to leave.
Waterloo,
Knowing my fate is to leave you.
Nonii, tuleme siis või ei tule?